Hello there. You still stuck at home like me? Or stuck at home with me? Well, I am. And if you're thinking of something different to make, you know what I did? I just went in my cabinet like I did 100 times before, or 1,000 times probably. See what I have? I found a box of mac and cheese, the classic Kraft, and I found a can of corned beef hash, which I always love. And I thought, that'd be a good meal in the pressure cooker, in the 4-quart Cook's Essential pressure cooker, the purple one. And my first thought was I was going to cook it outside. That'll be fun, right? Cook it outside on the
patio with a purple pressure cooker for a picnic.
But it's windy and rainy and cold for some reason. So I figured, let me make it in the kitchen. How's that? Anyway, the moral to the story is, go in your cabinet and find something and make a gourmet meal with little effort. 4 minutes. Okay? Got your cheese packet here. Remember? Got your 7.25 ounces of original Kraft macaroni and cheese. Pour it in. If you cook this on the stove top, you use 6 cups of water. Yes. And a 1/4 cup of milk. But in the pressure cooker, we're going to use 1 cup of water. And I'm going to introduce my corned beef hash right now. I like canned corned beef hash. Do you? We have it with eggs. I like to fry it up, get a little crunchy around the edges. Oh, I hear that sizzling in there. Maybe you do too. Easy opening. Thanks for can opener. I still use it. Look at that. I love that. You know what it reminds me of? My grandfather's Cadillac dog food, which I loved. Oh, it smells like it too, but I love it. I do love it. All congealed neatly into a can-shape vesicle. Is that a word? Let's break that up a little bit. What a meal this is going to be. I'm going to save this powdered cheese until the end. At this point, I think I'm going to add another cup of water because of the corned beef kind of soaked it up. So, this is the first time I'm making this, so now we know. We want our pasta covered with liquid. This is going to be delicious. So that's 2 cups of water altogether. Where do you see that one's done? You like that corned beef? Delicious. I love it. Let's put our lid on. You can use any pressure cooker you like. This happens to be a 4-quart. 3, 4. High pressure for 4 minutes. You could use any size pressure cooker you want. You could put 2 boxes in if you want. Or 4 or 5 boxes in. Isn't this easy? It's a gourmet meal, I would say. For me, where I come from. Alright, I'll be back when the pressure builds up and counts down. Okay, let's release the pressure. Woo! I smell corned beef hash. That's for sure. Right back when this pressure's out. That was fast. That was my gourmet meal. Ooh. Good to me. The macaroni is going to absorb this liquid a little bit. I'm going to put my powdered cheese on. Look at that. Look at the corned beef all mixed in there. Remember the cheese that came with the box? I do. And we know this gets cheesy because it's Kraft mac and cheese with the powdered cheese, but what I like to do add a little extra. I like to add some of this. You don't mind, do you? Huh. Give that a little stir. Get it incorporated. Then I'm going to put a little bit on top. It's melting really fast. Look at that. Oh! I'm going to wait 2 or 3 minutes so I don't burn my mouth. Let's put the lid on top. And let me go get my fancy eating bowl. More like a spoon. Oh, so good. Corned beef hash in there. Wow. Isn't that delicious? I got my bowl. Let me clean spoon. This will feed about 4 regular humans, or 1.5 of me. I'm just gonna have a little bit though. All right. A little pepper and salt if you like. Anything you want to add here? Sometimes I like breadcrumbs. I do. I'll admit it. I gotta taste it. Now see how easy that was? You look in your cabinet and find something that you didn't eat in a while or you didn't know you had. Could even throw some pork chops or chicken in there. Beef. You got any leftovers? Hot dogs, throw them in there. Just ideas. It's so easy to be a good cook. This one keep warm now. Whoa. You want some? Corned beef hash. It's so good. You gotta try it. Oh. Oh. Okay, I hope I gave you another idea. Be creative. Could have changed that any way you like. Oh, pass the word. Don't forget about our new channel. That's our new channel, Pass the Word. Somebody might have heard of it already. I'll put a link down there. Check it out. Pass the word. In the meantime, make something good. It's easy. Stuck at home, right? You got a pressure cooker, maybe? If not, make it on the stove. You can do it. Right? Oh, it's slippery over here. All right, have a nice day. Please subscribe. You want some of this?
Okay.
We're going to finish this. This is lunch. Talk to you later tonight, all right? See ya! Bye. Hurry up and get over here before it's gone.
Smells good.
Yeah, it's good.